Hi, I'm Max. I'm 11. And yes, I know it sounds weird that I'm talking to adults about money, but here's why. I started learning about money because I saw financial stress up close. Bills, worry, that "we'll figure it out" face people make when they're trying to stay calm, but you can tell they're carrying something heavy. So I started reading. Like, everything. Books, articles, boring grown-up stuff. Not because I'm trying to show off, because I wanted money to stop feeling scary for mom and dad. And today, I'm going to show you how to approach your first $10,000 in a way that doesn't depend on hype, luck, or gambling. Quick thing, if you like calm, practical money videos that don't judge you, subscribe. It's free. And free is kind of a rare deal these days. And if you hit like, that helps too. I literally pay for some of my apps with my allowance, so I take this whole value for money thing personally. Okay, let's do this. Most people make this way harder than it needs to be. They jump into crypto because their friend made money. They try day trading because a guy on the internet promised it's easy. Or they buy some course that says, make 10K in 10 days, and somehow the only person who makes 10K is the course guy. Here's the problem. Crypto and day trading can multiply money, but they don't reliably create money from zero. They usually require extra cash you can afford to lose time, to learn emotional control, and a lot of luck. If you're trying to build your first 10K, you don't need a casino. You need something that starts with low cost, creates cash flow, fast teaches you a repeatable skill, can scale up over time. And when you strip away the noise, there are basically 4 ways to get your first 10K. In-person services, local products, global products, online services. All 4 can work, but they don't work the same way. Some get you cash fast, but don't scale well. Some scale well, but are slower at the beginning. So the question is not, what's the best? It's, what's best for where you are right now? Let's start with the simplest and fastest one. In-person services. People hear these and go, that's basic. Yes, and that's exactly why it works. Because basic means people understand it, people already pay for it, and you can get paid immediately. And that's your first job right now. Get cash moving. Here's the key rule. Don't waste time building a logo, a website, a brand name, or a motivational quote. That's procrastination wearing a hat. Instead, do this. Pick one service you can do confidently. Find people who already have money. Offer the service. Do it well. Get paid. Repeat. Want an example? If I were starting from zero, I would go where the money is. You don't start a car wash business in a parking lot full of cars that already look like they lost a fight. You go to neighborhoods where lawns are tidy, houses are clean, and cars are nice, but dirty. Because those people like things looking good, and they pay to keep things looking good. The downside of in-person services is simple. You can only do one job at a time. Your income is limited by your hours, your energy, your local demand. So it's great for fast cash, but eventually you'll hit a ceiling. That's when people either quit or they move to option 2, 3, or 4. This can be awesome if you love it. But let me warn you about something adults learn the hard way. Selling products is not just selling. It's buying inventory, materials, packaging, and time. With products, money gets stuck in materials. You might sell something for $30, but if materials cost $12, plus packaging, plus time, congratulations, you just worked for not a lot. So yes, local products can work, but they're not always the fastest path to the first 10K unless you already have a strong audience or a hot local market. If you love making something, do it. Just be honest about the math. Option 3 is global products. This is print on demand, drop shipping, reselling, sneakers, collectibles, etc., digital products, an online store, merch, anything that can be bought from anywhere. The advantage is obvious. Your market is bigger. You're not limited to your city. But the trade-off is also obvious. It can be slower at the beginning because you have to set up listings, build trust, handle fulfillment or systems, reinvest profits to restock or improve. And a lot of people get trapped here. They make a sale, then they need to buy more inventory, then they're broke again, then they're waiting, then they're stressed, then they quit. Global products can become amazing, but if your goal is make money as fast as possible, this is not always the quickest first step. Unless you choose a product that doesn't require inventory, which takes us to the best option for most people starting from zero today. Option 4 is online services. And honestly, this is one of the biggest advantages people have right now compared to any time in the past. Online services include video editing, thumbnail design, copywriting, social media management, ads management, website fixes, basic automation setup, customer support, simple design work, UGC editing, short form editing, podcast clipping, newsletter formatting. Here's why online services are powerful. You get global reach with service-level profit margins. Products might give you 20-30% margins. Services can give you 70-80% margins because you're selling skill and time, not inventory. Plus, you can start fast. You don't need permission. You don't need a warehouse. You need one thing, a service someone already pays for. Now the question becomes, what service should you offer? Ask yourself these 3 questions. What are you already decent at? What do you enjoy learning? What problems do businesses consistently have? The sweet spot is where the answers overlap, and here's a big mistake people make. They spend months getting ready. They say, I'm not good enough yet. I need more skills. I need to perfect my portfolio. That's backwards. You learn faster when you're working with real problems. So instead of charging top dollar, you start with a starter price. Lower than the market but high enough to respect your time and clear enough that you can deliver well. Your goal at the beginning is not maximum profit. Your goal is earn plus learn. Okay, here's the plan. 3 steps, no fluff. Step 1, pick the fastest cash flow engine. If you need money now, in-person service or online service. If you have some time and patience, global products can work too. But for most people who want speed plus scalability, online services win. Because you can start with 0 inventory and build skill-based income. Step 2, choose a skill with demand. Here's the rule. Businesses pay to make more money or save more time. So help businesses make more money. Services usually pay more. Ads, sales pages, email marketing, conversion-focused editing, lead generation. But you don't have to start with the hardest thing. You can start with something simpler. Editing short clips, designing thumbnails, managing posting schedules, basic Canva design, repurposing content, organizing someone's workflow. The key is, pick a service that is clear and deliverable. Step 3. Create a simple offer and start getting clients. This is where most people freeze. So let me make it simple. Don't say, I do video editing. Say, I help entrepreneurs turn long videos into 10 short clips per week so they post consistently and grow. Don't say, I do social media. Say, I schedule posts, reply to basic comments, and keep your account active so you don't disappear for 2 weeks. Don't say, I design thumbnails. Say, I redesign your thumbnails to improve click-through rate and make your videos look professional. Do you see the difference? One is a task. The other is an outcome. People pay more for outcomes. Part 7. The skill pyramid that turns income into 10K a month. Let's level up. If you want to reach 10K income consistently, you need 4 elements: positioning, leverage, reach, reliability. Let's go quickly. Not all clients are equal. Some clients are broke, some clients have budgets. If a business makes $50,000 a month, paying $2,000 to fix a problem is not crazy, if the fix makes them more money. So position yourself near people who sell something, have customers, and want to grow. Example: instead of editing for hobby YouTubers, edit for someone who sells a product or service. Instead of writing random blog posts, optimize landing pages. You're not changing your skill. You're changing where your skill is used. Stop selling hours forever. At the beginning, charging hourly is okay. But long-term, the money comes from value. If your work makes someone money, your pricing should reflect that. You don't want to chase clients forever. You want clients to come to you. Post your work, before, after edits, thumbnail redesigns. Here's why this got more clicks. Mini case studies, your process. Even if you're small, showing your work builds trust. This is the secret weapon. Most people are talented. Most people are not reliable. If you deliver on time, communicate clearly, and make it easy to work with you, you become valuable fast. Talent gets you noticed. Reliability gets you paid again. Let me say something that might sound strange coming from an 11-year-old. Most adults don't have a money problem first. They have a system problem. And sometimes, they have a breathing problem. Because stress makes people do weird things. Ignore the bank account. Avoid bills. Buy something to feel better. Then feel worse. Then repeat. Money is emotional, even when people pretend it's not. So if you're trying to build your first 10K, don't panic. Pick the simplest method that creates cash flow. Build the skill. Repeat the process. That's how money stops being scary. It becomes predictable. So here's the whole thing in one breath. Your first 10K is hard because it forces you to learn the skill of creating money. Not guessing, not gambling, not hoping. Choose a path that creates cash flow. Start small. Get real-world reps. Become reliable. Then scale. If you want more calm, practical money videos, subscribe. It's free. And if you hit like, it helps the channel a lot. I'm building this with my allowance, so yeah, I'm basically a tiny CFO. See you in the next video.